Hello guys, welcome to the Witness Without Identity channel. Today we're going to talk about the election. Trump said something that worries me a little bit, so I just want to bring it up to you guys. I mean, if you got to go out and vote, go out and vote, but the one thing he said something kind of scary. I want to hear you. It looked like Trump is betting. He's putting his bet on the fact that the election will be a draw, and maybe then we got to bring it to Supreme Court. That's why maybe now he has what's her name, Amy Coney Barrett, as the Supreme Court new Supreme Court justice. Maybe that's why, because when you have it like that, then hopefully he can win. So I think that's his calculation. So I want you guys to look at this video, and we're going to discuss what we see after it. Thank you.
Rallies today in a state that he won in 2016, and he said something incredibly concerning.
If we win on Tuesday, or thank you very much, Supreme Court, shortly thereafter.
All right, Jonathan Diaz is CNN's election law analyst. I mean, Jonathan, the president he actually criticized the court today. He's not happy with some recent decisions the court has made. He is, though, it appears, expecting some help from the Supreme Court if he is not declared the winner of the election. I mean, first off, just react to what he said, and what do you think he can expect, or really anyone can expect, when it comes to the Supreme Court and the election?
Thanks, Brianna. I mean, I think, first of all, it's incredibly concerning that the President of the United States would suggest that the Supreme Court would have any role in determining the outcome of the presidential election, particularly one in which he is a candidate. It's important to remember that in the entire history of this country, there has been one presidential election in which the Supreme Court has played any role, and that was famously in 2000, or infamously, depending on your perspective. But the Trump campaign and the Republican Party appear to be doing everything they can to lay the groundwork for a similar challenge to wind its way up to the Supreme Court this cycle. There have been a number of cases, the ones the president was criticizing in Reading today, dealing with extensions to the absentee ballot receipt deadline in a number of battleground states, including Pennsylvania, North Carolina, and Minnesota. The Supreme Court so far has not changed any of those dates, which allow absentee ballots that have been postmarked by Election Day and received within a certain number of days thereafter to be counted. But at least 4 of the justices on the court have suggested that they would be open to hearing a post-election challenge as to.
So guys, you heard it from your own ears. Well, you see, so now so basically what's going on here is that Trump is saying that that he's hoping to win on Tuesday, but if he doesn't, he hopes that he's going to go to the Supreme Court, basically, and that's why he has his Supreme Court justice. Hopefully Amy Barrett got his back, and so that's the world we're living in, guys. We have to be on top of politics these days. I understand that some people are not interested in politics. They want to keep talking about entertainment and those things. But the world that we live in is a little bit different. This is not the 80s or the 90s where politics was very boring. It's a little bit different now. So Trump is doing whatever he can to hold on to power. And we have to find a way, I'm hoping that this election ends peacefully. And let's pray for the country, guys. Because he's got his supporters. They're not going to let it go that easy. So be ready. So now he's already talking like, hey, this might go to the Supreme Court, and hopefully they got my back. They're going to let him in. So that's what he's saying. So please subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think, guys. Thank you.